The sun wields mercy. And the sun wields mercy, but like a torch carried too high. And the jets whip across its sight, and rockets leap like toads, and the boys get out the maps and pin-cushion the moon, old green cheese. No life there, but too much on Earth. Our unwashed India boys, crossing their legs, playing pipes, starving with sucked-in bellies, watching the snakes volute like beautiful women in the hungry air. The rockets leap like hares, clearing clump and dog, replacing outdated bullets. The Chinese still carve in jade, quietly stuffing rice into their hunger, a hunger 1,000 years old. Their muddy rivers moving with fire and song, barges, houseboats, pushed by the drifting poles of waiting without wanting. In Turkey, they face the east on their carpets, praying to a purple god who smokes and laughs and sticks his fingers in their eyes, blinding them as gods will do. But the rockets are ready. Peace is no longer, for some reason, precious. Madness drifts like lily pads on a pond, circling senselessly. The painters paint, dipping their reds and greens and yellows. Poets rhyme their loneliness. Musicians starve, as always, and the novelists miss the mark. But not the pelican, the gull. Pelicans dip and dive, rise, shaking shocked, half-dead radioactive fish from their beaks. Indeed, indeed, the waters wash the rocks with slime, and on Wall Street the market staggers like a lost drunk looking for his key. Ah, this will be a good one, by God. It will take us back to the snake, the limpet, or if we're lucky, the catalysis to the saber-teeth, the winged monkey scrambling in the pit over bits of helmet, instrument, and glass. A lightning crashes across the window, and in a million rooms lovers lie entwined and lost and sick as peace. The sky still breaks red and orange for the painters, and for the lovers, flowers open as they have always opened, but covered with the thin dust of rocket fuel and mushrooms, poison mushrooms. It's a bad time, a dog-sick time. Curtain, Act 3, standing room only, sold out, sold out, sold out again. By God, somebody and something, by rockets and generals and leaders, by poets, doctors, comedians, by manufacturers of soup and biscuits, Janus-faced hucksters of their own indexterity. I can now see the coal-slick contaminated fields, a snail or two, bile, obsidian, a fish or three in the shadows, an obloquy of our source and our sight. Has this happened before? Is history a circle that catches itself by the tail, a dream, a nightmare, a general's dream, a president's dream, a dictator's dream? Can't we awaken? Or are the forces of life greater than we? Can't we awaken? Must we forever, dear friends, die in our sleep?